Hi, good morning. How are you doing today? Wish you Merry Christmas in advance. And you know how many days it is before Christmas. Okay, I hope everybody's prepared for the celebration coming in a few days. All right, so today I'll be taking you on how to make Christmas cakes. Bake Christmas cake. We call it rum cake, we call it fruit cake, and we also call it Christmas cake. So right here we have everything we need for the cake. We have our spices. Right here we have flavors, lemon, we have browning, we have butter, we have dried fruits, we have mixed fruits, we have a brown sugar, our egg, we have our already soaked raisins, the baking powder, the bowls and the measuring spoons, the grater for the lemon, and all that. So the only thing not here is the flour because it's in a large cake, all right? So this is basically everything we need to make rum fruit Christmas cake. All right. So there's one more ingredient that is not here, which is the what's it called, the nuts. So we use nuts on special demands because there are a lot of people who are allergic to nuts. So we don't incorporate nuts when making large production of Christmas cake or rum cake or fruit cake. All right. So we only put it when someone actually demands for it. Then before we begin, how I do my cake is that I first of all measure out all the ingredients I need to make sure I have complete ingredients. All right, I measure it out and have them set aside before I start the process. That way, I am very sure every ingredient is available and is around. Okay, all right, hang in there. We're going to take you through the process. But for now, this is all we need. We also have our pans already prepared. And before we start, we are going to preheat the oven as we move. All right? Okay, so hang in there. I'll be bringing you the process as well. Okay? So the next thing we're going to do is to mix it right here. We have our butter and sugar already creamed. So we'll start by adding our eggs little by little, all right? And we mix. So the next thing I do is to go in with lemon juice, fresh lemon juice squeezed out from the lemon. Go with my browning. Okay, so give it a quick mix. Then we'll give it a quick mix and this is lemon zest. So next thing is to go in with our flour. So we have to divide the flour into two so that we can mix the raisins with the rest of the flour. Always scrape the sides. So it's time to go in with the flour and the raisins. Always make sure not to over mix. So add a little bit of the dry cranberry. Then our mixed fruits. We have orange, lemon, prunes, name them. They are all right here. Mix on low speed. And that is it. Our fruit cake is ready to go into the oven. So always scrape the sides to make sure it is well mixed.